Hey guys, I'm back today with another video. Of course, before I get started on all the details, guys, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. Also, turn those notifications on because you don't want to miss out on any of my videos. Now, this video is going to be a straight out of the box video. It is going to be a glueless video, so I can show you guys how to lay it and slay it without any adhesive. Now, this one I'm showing you guys today is a Brianna 004 wig. This one is a honey golden brown type of color. It does have the tinted transparent Swiss lace. I have the medium brown color. You do get 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. And then they also did include an elastic band on there for you, so you don't have to worry about sewing in one yourself. It also has the deep bleach knots. They do have the option on the website to get light bleach or deep bleach, which we will talk about a little bit more in the video. But now I am just going to make sure that I adjust those straps and also put the elastic band on the right setting that I know that it is going to fit me. Now, this one is the cap size one. That is the cap size that I wear with this company. I am about a 21 to 21 and a half, just depending on how my hair is laid underneath. So this one fits me perfectly. I never have to worry about it. The hairline on this is pre-plucked, so you do not have to go in and do any extra plucking unless you just want to customize it more and you want to be a little bit extra. You also get a very good amount of parting space. The parting space is 6 inches on this unit. Working on cutting off the lace on this unit. As you guys can see, my scissors just glide across this lace perfectly. You don't have to worry about this being one of those hard laces to cut off. However, you want to be very careful with it because it is thin and it also is kind of stretchy. So you don't want to pull on it or tug on it too hard because you don't want to risk it tearing up. So this one already pretty much came kind of pre-parted in the middle. And I'm just kind of fixing up the parting a little bit just because I felt like my part was a little bit off. So I want the center part to look as, perfect as possible. So I'm just putting a little bit of the flyaway tamer at the top of the unit, also around the hairline. And I'm just going to take my hot comb and run that at the top so that everything can lay down nice and flat since it was a little bit of humpiness. Tons of questions on this bedazzled hot comb. This one came from Kendra's Boutique. I will make sure to leave the link down below. In fact, I'll leave links down below to all the products that I am using. But the hot comb gets very, very hot. It heats up to 500 degrees. It definitely gets the job done. I have no complaints on the hot comb. So now I am just going to section off the hair and work on straightening the hair out. This is a Yaki texture. You guys know Yaki is one of my favorite textures. It used to be kinky straight, but Yaki has definitely won my heart over just because it does not require a lot of maintenance. It doesn't require a lot of fuss. And I just think it's more easy to deal with and work with every day. You don't have to worry about going out the house, it poofing up and all that other good stuff. So that is why I love the Yaki texture. This does come in silky, but personally, I just think Yaki looks more realistic and I like the luster on it. Now that I have everything straightened out, I still think that my middle part and the top of this unit is just not laying correctly. So I'm going to move the part over just a little bit more. We'll move some hair out the way. And I'm going to take that hot comb again and then run over the top. As you guys can see, it looks way better when I did that because you can see more of the parting. I don't know, the way I had it parted, you couldn't really see. So I just had to go and fix it up. And I'm just going to move some of that hair out of the way in the very front. And as you guys can see, it already is laying down really well. But once I cut the lace off, that's one thing with RPGSHOW's lace is that once you cut it, it's going to blend in very good. I want to open up the parting space a little bit more without having to go in and pluck any of the hairs. So just to make it look a little bit more natural and realistic, I'm going to go in with my Ruby Kisses 3D Contour Creator Powder Palette, and I'm going to place that into the parting space area and around the hairline. Now, as you guys can see, I did not have to use too much powder around the hairline because it already blended in with my skin, but I needed it more for the parting space area. I do feel like the parting space could have been just a little bit wider, but that is going to be a personal preference, just because you don't want it too wide because you still want it to look good, but I think the powder definitely took care of it. So now I'm just going to go in with one of my holy grails, which is the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Serum. This is going to help control any type of frizziness and flyaways and just keep everything looking nice and sleek. So this is the final look of this unit. It looks really nice. It took me less than 15 minutes to get it together. The length on this is nice. I have the 18 inches. This unit does go up to 20 inches and it starts at 16 inches. I do think that this one is good for every day because it's so lightweight. Now I have the full lace cap. You guys know I gave you plenty of warning. The full lace caps are more on the thinner natural density side. If you want very full, then I always suggest getting the lace front wigs because they are about 200% in density. Parting space and the hairline look really good. I do wish, like I said, that the parting space was just plucked out just a tiny bit more, but once I added the powder in, it definitely cleaned it up and made it look a little bit more natural. The hairline on this is pre-plucked. They have been working on plucking them out a little bit more, so you can just really get away with not having to do much when it comes to these units, because look at that. Look at that. Like, come on now. Where does the lace start? You can't even tell because it just looks that good. So shout out to having the tinted transparent lace so you don't have to put in too much work. Let me know if you are feeling this in the middle part. And now I'm going to show you guys a side part. You know I like to show you two styles just so I can show you how good it's going to look if you wear it without any adhesive, and how natural it's still going to look, and you can just move the part around with ease. So I am going for a side part. You guys know I love a curved side part. So I'm just going to curve the parting space around, and then I am going to put that wax at the top, and I'm just going to use my hot comb to lay it down. Now, because this is a little bit more density on one side, I put the hot comb at the top first, and then I split it in sections and then begin to hot comb in that area too, so that it wouldn't look humpy. I do want to talk about tangling and shedding with this unit while I am still working on styling this. You guys know that I do have another Yaki unit from them that I absolutely love. I have updated it. You guys can go and check that out. I'll leave it down below. But I've had that one for a while, so I pretty much know about the Yaki textures. I will say that this one did not tangle up as much as the other ombre, and I guess it's because of this being a lighter density, so I'm not going to have to worry about it too much. As far as shedding goes, I did notice just a little bit of shedding, but nothing dramatic. And then the ends on this, just like with my other unit, you are going to have to get some serum and make sure you kind of run it through. They never end up looking ratty, but they just come off feeling a tad bit dry. So the serum is definitely going to be good for this unit. So now I'm just going to add some more powder into the side to kind of open that up a little bit. Also, you guys see how natural it is coming off. Overall, guys, this is a really cute unit. I like the color. I think that this is going to be really pretty for the spring and summertime. Let me know if you are feeling the middle or the side part. I'm definitely feeling the side part just a little bit more because she's giving me a little bit more sassiness, but I do appreciate how natural it looks without putting any adhesive on. And it also photographs well. Their lace always photographs really well outside. I'll try to drop like a selfie in somewhere before this. But if you are feeling this, guys, it is a little bit on the pricier side. So as always, I will try to find a coupon code for you. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Turn those notifications on, share, and like this video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.